Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add an app on desktop in laptop Windows 11. To start, right-click on Start and select Run. Now in the window, enter the command shell:/apps folder. Click on OK. In this window, you find all the apps. You're going to right-click on the desired one and select Create Shortcut. As you see, a new window opens. In it, click Yes. Now you can see that application on the desktop. You can open it if you want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.